Thank you.
Oh my god.
Bye bye.
Ice cream.
Thank you.
It's really good, bro. Thank you. Do you have one of these? I mean, like, can I take it home or something? I can buy and then. May Nutella siya. It's 35 Turkish lira. So that's around $1.50 Canadian dollar. Not sure. Basta 35 Turkish lira for a Nutella with bread. Wow! Isn't that amazing? Ang daming tinapay. Ang ganda oh. Mosque. Mosque pala yan, guys. Ganda oh. Ganda oh. Yan oh. Wala akong masabi. Kasi sobrang ganda. Wow! Sobrang ganda niya. Yo, fam! And this right now, I'm going to Pearson International Airport because today we're going on a travel in one of the best country in the Middle East. Let's go! So here, I just checked in my bag real quick. And then after check-in, we're going on a gate and a little bit of selfie in there. And just trying to freshen it up because it's a long walk, bro. It's very long. Of course, bro. Let's go on a business class. But nah, that's false alarm because I cannot afford that. Let's go at the back. And just like that, we're flying in Toronto skyline. Look at that city lights, man. Gorgeous. So the flight attendant served the food and yeah, it's bussin'. And I'm so lucky because on this flight, I'm in the window seat. By the way guys, if you're flying 10 hours, what are you doing in the airplane? This is the second meal service of the flight. I mean, look at that food. It isn't bad at all. Oh, thank God. We're landing after 10 hours of flight. So guys, I'm now here in Turkey International Airport. Have to go to the washroom first and then go to Tour Istanbul because that is where we can grab the ticket for the free tour for 6 hours. So let's check around the city. Let's go. So I'm now here in Tour Istanbul Kiosk. I'm waiting for the line and then let's ask the lady if how to grab the free tour. So I'm in the passport control. For the Tour Istanbul, it's a free 6 hours tour. And then if you have US visa, European visa, or whatever visa like Ireland, Schengen visa, you can apply for Turkish e-visa, which you can use to go out and check out the country. Yeah guys, nakalabas na ako sa passport control. Sabi po sa akin, "Are you a seaman?" I was like, "No, I'm just here for Tour Istanbul." And then she was like, "Okay." Then tinatakan niya yung passport ko. Let's go! So I got my ID for Tour Istanbul. Lalabas kayo siya sa airport guys, sa arrival area. Pupunta kayo sa passport control and then customs. And then sa arrival area. Tapos lakad ng around 500 meters, makikita nyo to. So whoever na merong 6 hours layover pataas sa Istanbul, pwede kayong mag-avail ng free tour. So punta kayo doon, kuhanin yung ID nyo, and then kung may luggage kayo na ipapastore, pwede yan, storage. So one bag cost around 115 lira. Withdraw ako. So that's around 5 USD. They don't accept Canadian dollars, so USD lang tinatanggap nila. So just so you know, dito na ako sa waiting area. So I'm so excited, let's go. So dito, nakalist na kami sa airport, tapos papunta na kami sa mga tourist spots ng Istanbul. And to be honest, the city is very clean. I mean, look at that. Guys, look at that! Look at that architecture! You know, nakikita ko lang to sa mga vlogs before, but right now, here we are. I mean, the vibes is different. Like, it's beautiful. So that's the Turkey. Guys, it's Turkey, by the way. So that's the flag of the country. And then dito papunta na kami sa one of the biggest mosques as far as I remember. Basta sobrang ganda niya. So, for your information, if you have a layover in Turkey, 6 hours above, pwede nyong i-avail tong tour na ito. It's free, guys. Food is free, the tour is free, like, you don't pay anything. So, this spot is one of my most favorite spot on the tour. Like, I forgot the name of the bridge. I'm so sorry about that. It's just, I'm really excited. But, this is a tourist spot in Turkey.
Okay, Tour Istanbul. Now we are in the city. This is Galata Bridge. On the left side you can see Hagia Sophia, Santa Sofia. On the left side there is a cruise ship.
Tapos guys, itong araw na to is holiday kaya sobrang daming tao, and then look at the train. It's so packed. Like, I think it's a holiday. Tapos sa spot na to guys is famous for fishing. Kaya lahat yung mga nakikita nyo dyan, mga tao dyan, nag-fish yung mga yan. Kung hindi man sila nag-fish, sila ay turista or mga nagbebenta. Basta ganun, sobrang ganda. Guys, nakikita nyo na ba yung mosque? Ayan o! Ganda! So again, holiday ngayon sa sobrang, tingnan nyo, sobrang daming tao tapos traffic.
It's always crowded, this place, but today is extra crowded because of the celebration day today, yeah. Republication Day, this is a Republication Day.
Oh, kung nakinig kayo sa tour guide, holiday daw talaga ngayon. Tignan nyo naman, ang daming tao pati sa train. Kala mo, buen dia! McLaren Station! Tapos guys, yung nakikita nyong city dyan, sa kabilang city, sa may dagat, yan yung Asian part ng Turkey. Kasi ang Turkey merong Asian part, meron ding European part. But today, we are going to explore European side. So guys, nakababa na kami, nandito na kami sa bano. Bumaba na kami sa bus. Tignan nyo itong mga tong gaganda oh. Mga Turkish lamp. Sobrang ganda niya. Istanbul. Mga sapatos maliliit. Tapos kakain daw kami dito. Free yan lahat guys, free. So free food. I think considered na as dinner ngayon. So dami namin. Yan, isang bus lang yan. Pero madami pang bus, mga 5 bus yata. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan niyan. Grand Bazaar ba or Mosque. Ang ganda dito oh. Parang cafe. Parang outskirt cafe. Grabe oh. Panalo. Wow! Ang ganda oh. Mosque. Mosque pala yan guys. Ganda oh. So guys, naglalakad-lakad lang kami. Pupunta kaming mosque. Kami Girisi Mosque. Yan, laking flag no. Dami kanya sa Turkey, nagkalat. So nandito na kami sa loob. Sobrang daming tao kasi parang holiday yata today ngayon. Sakto na sakto ang weekends din, tapos holiday. So So nandito tayo sa pinakagitna ng mosque. Sobrang daming tao pero sobrang ganda guys. Papakita ko sa inyo ha. So ayan na siya. Ito yung first destination namin. Wow. Sobrang ganda di ba? Tingnan nyo naman oh. Dami ding tao. Karamihan turista. So guys, pupunta kami sa loob, tatanggalin namin yung tsinelas namin. Tapos yung mga babae kailangan may scarf. Tapos kung naka-short yung lalaki, may provide silang parang pantalon or short, parang gano'n. long shorts. Basta pantalon. Wow. Wow. Holy moly. Wow, sobrang ganda niya. Guys, sobrang ganda. Tignan nyo, oh. Wow. Wala akong masabi. Kasi sobrang ganda. Wow. Sobrang ganda niya. So ito yung loob niya, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano, hindi ko kasi mabalikas yung pangalan ng mosque na to. Pero ang daming tao, parang tourist destination talaga siya. Sa Turkey. You know? Ganda, di ba? So guys, lumabas na ako sa mosque. Kasi sobrang daming tao doon, parang hirap huminga. Tapos, nandito ako ngayon sa courtyard. Yan o. Yan yung mosque. Daming tao. Yan. So dito daw yung ano namin. Dito yung meeting place. Kasi 30 minutes kami dito and then after 30 minutes lilipat na naman kami sa ibang tourist destination dito sa Istanbul. So, sobrang ganda, sobrang sulit, promise. Buti na lang ginawa ko to, buti na nag-research ako na meron ganito pala. Tour Istanbul tawag. So, if you have a layover here in Turkey for 6 hours and above, you can get it free. Like, come on guys, it's really good, it's beautiful. Guys, we're in the middle of prayer. Narinig niyo ba? Diyan siya nanggagaling yung prayer. And then ngayon nandito kami sa Obelisk. Sinasabi niya yung yung history about Obelisk pero hindi ko masyadong maintindihan. So, nandito kami sa Park Obelisk. Ayan siya. And then sa likod, Obelisk. Tapos dyan yung Blue Mosque na pumasok tayo sa loob. And then ito naman nakalimutan ko. Pasensya na po. Ayan siya. Naalala ko na. Palace daw to. It's the palace. Yan. Basta yun yung sabi niya, palace daw siya. Ganda oh. Yan oh. Pwede kang pumasok yata pero may bayad. So, hindi na ako papasok. Yan. So, this is what they call the palace. Sabi lang niya palace. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan talaga. Pero nakalagay naman dyan museum. Ano ba talaga kuya? Sabi niyo, Hagia Sophia History and Experience Museum. I think it's a museum, not a palace. Baka palace before. Baka. Pagka this building was a palace before and now they turned it into museum. Tapos, sabi niya, diretso lang daw doon, may makikita kaming iba na naman. So, meron kaming 1 hour to roam around this area. Tapos kung may makita tayong food trip na masarap, na mukhang masarap, bibilin natin para saktong ano, food trip din. Oo nga pala, sabi niya since today is holiday, yung Grand Bazaar is closed. So hindi na lang daw niya i-recommend na pumunta sa Grand Bazaar. Nasa harap lang kami ng Grand Bazaar, literally. Ayun siya. Sobrang laki niyan. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Ayan. Tapos alam nyo ba yung mga ano, nakikita nyo sa TikTok or mga vlog sa YouTube? Yan, yung mga kumakain dito. Ganda, di ba? Tapos yung mga juice from Turkey, di ba? Sikat sila sa mga ganyan na may mga pastries pa sila. Tapos may mga juice. Parang gusto kong bumili. Oh, ito! Hala! Guys, nakita ko na yung ice cream. Nakita ko na yung ice cream. Ayan na siya. Ayan na yung ice cream. Bili tayo ng ice cream. Tanungin ko kung magkano. Hi there, how much is the ice cream? Cone of ice cream. Okay? Oh, there we go. Small.
Which one?
Let me check my cash. Just give me a sec. Can I have this small pistachio, please?
Small pistachio, no.
Yeah.
Pistachio, but this one.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
There you go. Ice cream. Thank you. Digger. What is it for? Available, yes, please. Ice cream. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Bye bye. Where is it?
Oh no, last one more.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you very much.
Bye
Oh,
bye.
come on.
Digger. Extra for you. Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines. Amani.
Do you know where that is? Thank you. 250. Guys, ito na yung ice cream. Mmm! Sobrang sarap. Wow. Best ice cream. Holy crap. Seriously. No joke. It's OG. This is the OG ice cream of Turkey. Oh, I'm so happy. Meron din silang mais. Pero ayoko bumili ng mais. Hindi ko trip. Holy crap, bro. Tapos pag naubusan ka ng cash, yan, daming ATM. Medyo mahal nga lang ng charge ng ATM nila, around $5 Canadian dollars. So that's, how much is it? 200 plus pesos. Nakita ko na si Kuya yung naglolo kong ano, benta ng ice cream. Dami ding bilihan dito, oh. Yung tinapay. Nako. Kailangan kong ano, yung sikat na tinapay sa Turkey, oh. Yan. Parang gusto kong bumili. Ubusin ko muna to. At bili tayo ng tinapay ni Kuya. Parang nandito ako sa ano nila, oh. Parang, ano ba tawag dito? Park. Yan. Yan yung Grand Bazaar, sabi ni Kuya kanina. Ang hardinero naging travel vlogger na. Food vlogger na rin. Wow, ang ganda, oh. Naubos ko na yung ice cream. Sobrang sarap niya. Ubusin natin hanggang sa cone. 250 lira. Magkano kaya yun sa ano? Canadian dollars? I forgot. So guys, bibili ako yung yung tinapay na may Nutella. Ito siya. So kapag may Nutella siya, it's 35 Turkish lira. So that's around $1.5 Canadian dollar? Not sure. Basta 35 Turkish lira for a Nutella with bread. Wow! Isn't that amazing? Daming tinapay. So I'm gonna buy the bread with Nutella. Yeah, the Nutella, bro. Thank you very much. So yeah, may Nutella siya sa loob. Yan. So hindi ko alam kung anong type ng ng bread. Hindi ko na natanong kasi dami namang customer ni Kuya, dami bumibili. Ayoko na storbo yan. Tsaka ang bigat pa ng bag ko, ano ba yan? Dito kasi yung laptop ko eh. So ito na yung bread. Turkish bread. Holy crap! Naging food vlog na to, hindi sa travel vlog. Teka. Isa pang bite para ano? Panalo. Yung tinapay medyo matigas or baka ganun talaga siya. Ang daming sesame seed. Which is sobrang sarap niya. Kasi may nutty flavor. Panalo siya guys. Masarap to kapag may kape. Turkish coffee. Naghanap tayo ngayon ng Turkish coffee. Tapos hindi niya tinipid yung Nutella niya. Madami sa loob. Ano? Panalo siya. Sabi niya, ay turista to. Sabi niya siguro, ay turista to. Damihan ko ng Nutella para bumalik. Okay na yung isa. Matigas siya. Ay naman parang matigas na parang bato. Pero yung tinapay niya medyo lumalaban. May ano na, may ilaw na yung mosque na napuntahan namin kanina. Ganito oh. Bak, ganda. Tapos yung Grand Bazaar, again, nandyan sa gilid. Ay, nandyan sa harap, yung tinuturo ko dyan. Panalo talaga kapag may kape. Hanap ko ng may kape. Yung Turkish coffee, yung literal na yung niluluto sa sand. Ano bang Tagalog ng sand? Mahilig sila sa mais. Yan mais ulit. Ganda. Oh, ito tinapay ulit yung tinapay ni Kuya. Tignan ko nga kung pareha sila ng presyo. Parehas lang sila ng presyo. Centralized ang mga presyo nila dito. Walang lamangan. So ubusin ko muna to, tapos maghanap ako ng Turkish coffee. Sana may mahanap ako Bumili ako ng tubig kasi nauuhaw na ako. Yan yung nila. Train. Nandito ako yan sa So, madaming shop. Nasa bazaar ako ngayon. Mga kainan. Tapos, ayaw kong kumain kasi kakain naman kami doon. free tour. Free dinner from the tour. So ayan. Ayan si Kuya, may ice cream ulit. Madaming nagbebenta ng ice cream dito, guys. Yung parang nakikita nyo sa TikTok, ang ganda oh. Wow, ang ganda sa loob. Parang nakakaya namang pumasok kapag hindi ka bumili. Yan siya. So nandito ako ngayon sa bazaar nila. Parang gusto kong pumasok sa chocolate shop. Kaso nga lang, bawal kasing pagkain sa ano, sa carry-on. I mean kapag nag-check-in ka, di ba? So, wag na lang. Eto. Mga kainan din siya. Ayan. Mosque ulit. Nagkalat ang mosque guys dito. ATM machine ulit. Alam nilang ano, tourist destination tong area na to, kaya ang daming ano, ATM machine everywhere. Like, there's a lot. Pasok tayo sa ano, sa loob. Wow, ito siya guys oh. Guys, ang bait nyo, binigyan niyo ako ng apple tea. Apple tea. Wow. It's so good. Sabi niya, it's really good bro, thank you. Do you have one of this? I mean, like, can I take it home or something? I can buy and then...
After take, we have like box if you want Turkish light, also for baklava. We have vacuum machine like that.
Yeah.
You put it in vacuum machine after like 2 months for the Turkish light and like 25 days for baklava.
The baklava? Do you have a baklava over here? Can we check? Sobrang sarap. Ah! Tapos bibili ako ng baklava nila. Oh wow. Okay.
Where you come from?
I'll pick. I'm from Manila.
Small, medium, and big. 3 different
Okay.
sizes. You want to choose any size you want, and the price is by weight.
Okay. All right. I'll check around first and then I'll let you know. Okay. I'll check around first and then I'll let you know.
Okay,
Yeah. So, ito yung baklava nila, guys. All right. Can I have this small, please?
Small size?
Yes. Yeah, that's the small one. Yes. Just pick what's the best. Like, yeah, yeah, like, yeah. You decide. You're the expert. Yeah.
Line. We put it like line. Line for this flavor, line for this flavor. Different.
Sure.
I will give you some price for Turkish light.
All right. Thanks, man. No, I'm from the Philippines. Yes. I know. Most of my friends call me some Korean or something. Yeah. But I'm Filipino. I'm from Manila. Thank you. Bigyan niya ako. Wow. It's crazy. Oh my god. Thank you. Tingin niya ulit ako. Ang dami nilang flavor. Tapos madami din silang candy. So they have a lot of candies right over here, and then he gave me one of that.
That one is the green one.
It's good.
That one you have the kadayif, the mulberry is very good taste. Pomegranate, some Snickers also very good taste.
It's cool, eh?
Nutella.
I just ate Nutella bread, so binigyan niya ako.
You have to Dubai chocolate.
So ito na yung baklava, guys. Binigyan niya ako isa. Sarap. That's beautiful, man. Yeah. Abshlik, أنا فتحت حساب حطيت حقه مصاري حطيت 1500 والله جدا Ayan siya. Tanda, hindi masyadong mahal. Baka mamaya, nagbigay-bigay tapos ano pala, no? Hindi, okay lang. Iba-vacuum seal niya yan.
We make vacuum now.
Okay.
The box.
Bina-vacuum ni Kuya. Ito daw
You
yung
can take a
chin.
video also, I give you information.
I can take it?
Yes.
Okay. What type of tea is
That
this?
one is relax tea. For relax, for stress, for sleep. You wanna boil it like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
You have this one. That one is stomach tea. It's good for gas, for cooling your stomach. Next one, that one is cholesterol. Good for cholesterol. For high cholesterol.
Smells really good, eh?
This tea is bestseller in this country. The best seller in this country, in Turkey.
Turkish.
Traditional Turkish
That's a
tea.
Turkish tea?
But like extra, we add saffron. The best quality for saffron, we added inside cardamom and lavender also.
I like to try.
Pinapakita niya sa akin mga tea niya. Gusto magbenta.
Maybe you know this one. It's famous. The jasmine tea.
Wow. That's a jasmine tea,
That one
guys.
is good for weight loss, for diet, for slimming. Already is one kind for green tea and very good taste.
Yeah.
This one you take one piece, put in hot water. After 2 minutes, you're gonna be open slowly. 2 or 3 minutes, you're gonna
Okay.
open like flour. That one very interesting. One kind of green or white tea.
So I bought tea as well for my mom and for myself. And then they're packing up. I'm good with that, bro. I'm good with that. Yeah.
The cholesterol tea, you like it? The smell? Can take.
I'm good. I like this one more and this one. Yeah. Ayan na guys. So kinikilo niya na. Pasalubong. Yum.
I have gift for you.
Oh, thank you very much, bro.
American Express, right?
Yes.
Altın kart.
Guys, ang dami kong nabili sa shop na yun. Sobrang ano kasi. Sobrang galing niya magbenta. Bentahan ako. 5,000 lira. I'm not sure how much is that in Canadian dollars. Pero ang tao na to ay nagmamadali ng papunta sa bus. Kasi palis kami in 10 minutes. So, takbo muna ako. Ang gaganda ng mga souvenir, oh. Ayan. Tapos ito yung pang kape or tea. Tapos lamps or I don't know, chandelier. Ganda, oh. Ito din, oh. Wow. Dito ang dami. So bumili ako ng ano, ref magnet lang. Kasi over baggage na yung tao na to. Ganda, oh. Ganda ng shop niya, oh. Diba? So papunta na kami sa airport, guys. So that's the tour. That's total of 6 hours. We did a lot. And tignan nyo yung mga outskirts, oh. Ang gaganda. Instagrammable, bro. So, yan. Fresh fruits from Turkey. So this tour is all free from Turkish Airlines. So dope. Kudos to Turkish Airlines. Turkish Airlines. So guys, nandito ulit ako sa airport. Nakakapagod. Nakatulog ako sa bus. So nasa departure area na ako. Passport control. Pasok muna tayo. Tapos ayan. Ang laki ng airport nila. Ito na yata yung pinakamalaking airport na napuntahan ko. One of the biggest, I mean. So pasok tayo dito for passport stamp and then yun lang. Pasok na tayo sa ano, sa boarding gate. So I just checked in my flight and then I'm still waiting for the gate. Sobrang aga ko dito kasi 2 a.m. pa yung flight ko, 9 a.m. pa lang dito, so I still have a lot of time. I might go to a lounge, magbayad na lang doon, tapos take a shower, eat a lot. Let's see if it's worth it. So I'm gonna end the video here tonight. So that's my Turkey travel vlog and food vlog as well. So thank you very much and see you on my next vid. Bye bye.